Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn types of sets. Now in this first type is singleton set. Singleton set means a set which is having only one element in it. Definition: a set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. For example, A is equal to 2. A is the set of even prime numbers. What are even prime numbers? This is only one number, that is 2. Empty set or null set. Empty set, as name denotes, it is empty. There is a single element in this set. It is also called null set. If there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called a null set or an empty set. Null set is represented by empty bracket or a symbol phi. This symbol is called phi. For example, B is equal to set of all x such that x is natural number between 2 and 3. The condition is given that x is natural number between 2 and 3. Is there any natural number between 2 and 3? No, not a single number. So B is empty set or phi. Finite set. Now finite set is a set whose element we can count. If a set is null set or number of elements are limited and countable, then it is called as finite set. Null set is also a finite set. For example, C is the set of all p's such that p is an number from 1 to 22, divisible by 4, that are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are finite. We can count them. So this is a finite set. Next is infinite set. If number of element in a set is unlimited and uncountable, then the set is called infinite set. For example, set of natural numbers n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are so many numbers. We cannot count them. So we are writing here dots. So we cannot count them. Therefore, they are infinite set. Okay, next is equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. Set A and set B are equal sets. Symbolically, it is written as A is equal to B. If all elements of set A are present in set B and all elements of set B are present in set A, that means they are equal sets. See, for example, A is a set of all x where x is a letter of the word listen. So, by listing method, A is equal to LISTEN. B is a set of all y such that y is a letter of the word silent. SILENT. L is in both, I is in both, S in both, T in both, E in both, N in both. Okay. Though the elements of set A and set B are not in the same order, but all the elements are identical. Same order, they are not in same order, but they are same. Therefore, A is equal to B. Let us solve practice set 1.2. Our first question is, Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. 3 sets are given to you. First is A is set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. By using this, you will get value of x by solving this equation. Second one is B is a set of all x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Only one number is neither prime nor composite, that is 1. C is the set of all x such that x is element of set of natural numbers and x is less than 2. Which number is less than 2? 1. First we are going to write this in listing method and we have to justify our answer. A is equal to set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. We need to solve this. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. X is equal to 3 upon 3, which is equal to 1. So, set A is equal to 1. Equation 1. B. X is set of all x where x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. 1. Equation 2. Only 1 is neither prime nor composite. This is our justification. We have to write this. If you don't write this, you will not get a mark. Now C. C is set of all x such that x is element of n. N is nothing but set of natural numbers. And x is less than 2. The number which is less than 2, 1. Equation 3rd. Number which is less than 2 is 1 in set of natural numbers. This is our justification. Now observe this equation 1, 2, 3. Set A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. All 3 sets are equal sets. From 1, 2, 3, the set A, B and C are equal sets because they contains the same element. Which is 1. This is our justification of that answer. Second question of practice set 1.2 is similar to first question. So you have to solve by your own. Now we are seeing third question. Which of the following are empty sets? Why? First is A is set of all A's such that a is a natural number smaller than 0. What are natural numbers? One, two, three, and so on. And our condition is a is a natural number smaller than 0. Is there any natural number smaller than 0? No. So set a is equal to empty set. And you have to write here your justification. There is no natural number smaller than 0. We have to write here set A is an empty set. In this way you have to solve remaining 2 sub questions. Now we are seeing question number 4. Our question is, write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. First is A is the set of all x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. So set A will have numbers which are natural numbers and less than 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now finite set is a set whose element we can count. We can count them. They are 10. So set A is a finite set. Next is set B is a set of all y such that y is less than -1. Y is an integer. Less than -1 and is an integer. So B is equal to -1, -2, -3, -4. There are so many. We cannot count them. So set B is an infinite set. Similarly, you have to solve all sub questions.